chapstick matches my shirt. We decided it was a good day to go kayaking. Honestly, it was 55 when we woke up. I walked outside. Obviously not warm, but it was not cold either. And last time we tried to go kayaking, it was raining. So it was a no-go then, but it's gradually getting hotter and hotter as the day progresses. So fingers crossed. But then again, we don't want it too hot either. I'm just in my car watching everyone watch me. So fingers crossed, we're getting all of our stuff loaded and we're getting kayaking. We're going here. We're doing it. Kayaking. Oh yeah. Almost goose. Better go help.
Sarah, you better.
White rabbit. Wouldn't go away. White rabbit. White rabbit. Look at me right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. We're turtling. We're turtling. We're just guiding. I'm not even kayaking. I'm just chilling like we're tubing or something. Definitely kayaking. And look at this life vest. Look at that, you guys. Look at it. Look what I'm looking at right here. My family's down there. I kind of walked up the hill. But look behind me. How pretty is that? How pretty. Look the side of me. Pretty. What's up, guys? Ooh. Okay, fine, ladies. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, but aren't those adult males that have horns? Oh. Guys, take a look at this. No more kayaking, boo. Take a look at that. Take it.